guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be trying something new. We're making southern potatoes with fried cabbage and bacon and everything. If you guys want to see it, keep on watching. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Here's what you need. You will need a tablespoon of W sauce, a tablespoon of vinegar, and also you will need a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of Creole seasoning, and also a teaspoon of Mrs. Dash spicy seasoning blend. I have onion, green bell peppers, and red bell peppers, and of course the cabbage. Here we have the bacon, and also you will need the potatoes. I'm using about 3 russet potatoes. Just cut them the way that I cut mine, okay, so they can cook faster. Now first thing I'm going to do is cook the bacon until it's nice and golden brown and crispy. Once your bacon is nice and cooked and looking something like this, we're going to remove it and set it aside. Now we're going to add in our green and red bell peppers in the same bacon grease. All right, guys, do not throw that away. There's flavors in there. You know, bacon has some good flavors. You don't need to season bacon because it's already delicious. It's already tasty. So I'm going to add my bell peppers and also the onions. I am going to cook them for about a minute or so, and then we can start adding our cabbage. Now I'm going to add the cabbage in. Now you can add more cabbage if you want, because I'm breastfeeding, y'all. I can't really eat lots of cabbage because it does give you gas. So I went ahead and add a little bit of cabbage, but I love cabbage, but I couldn't eat too much of it. So I went ahead and add about, I'll say, 2 cups of cabbage once it's chopped. Once it's nice and soft and tender or a little flimsy like that, we're going in with the potatoes. We're going to add the potatoes right on there just like that. Now we're going to add in our seasoning. I'm adding the W sauce as well as the vinegar, and also the onion powder, garlic powder with the other seasoning. This right here is a spicy seasoning, the Mrs. Dash seasoning blend. Now you can use some pepper flakes on there, but if you're using the exact same seasoning, you won't need it because it's already spicy. And once we mix everything together just like that, the seasoning is well combined, we're going to cover this with a foil and bake it for 20 minutes. Well, you can't forget the bacon. We're going to add in the bacon. Look how good the bacon looks, y'all. I'm going to add that on there, mix it together, and we're going to cover it with a foil. Bake it for 20 minutes and boom, y'all, this is what you have. I think I've come up with a brand new recipe, y'all. This is a whole meal right there. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and actually try this out. It is a yay in my book. The potatoes were so flavorful and so soft with the little crispy skin. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know what type of recipes do you guys want to see. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.